Hi students, welcome to Neet Success Tips YouTube channel. I am Lion Ipasrinivas, teacher, Lions Club leader. Earlier I have uploaded some videos in this Neet Success Tips. If anybody had not seen, please watch that videos because in the one success mantra how to get Neet or JE or Eamcet seat easily using easy tips and techniques. I have used one stick method. If you follow that stick method, you will definitely get the entrance seat in the Neet or JER MSET. And also I have uploaded all first year biology, physics, chemistry, two videos I have uploaded. And second year biology video yesterday I uploaded. Today I am telling you chemistry second year video 1. Okay. If anybody not seen, please watch that. It is very important using important information, important questions I have told in that videos. If you like that, please like and subscribe to see daily uploading videos, latest videos, and share to your friends and relatives and click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. So now we will see the questions. Today, Neet JEE MSET Chemistry Second Year Questions Video 1. The first question is centered unit cells are of three types. Which of the following is not correct? Centered unit cells are of three types. Which of the following is not correct? Option A, face centered unit cells, primitive centered unit cells, end centered unit cells, body centered unit cells. What is the option? Wrong. A, B, C, D. In this four option, one is wrong. Only three types. That center unit cells are three types. One is wrong. What is that? What is unit cell? Unit cell is a small part of the space lattice of a crystal called unit cell. A small part of the space lattice of a crystal is called unit cell. Unit cell can be broadly divided into two categories. Unit cells are divided into two categories. One is centered unit cells. Second one is what? Primitive unit cells. So for confusing purpose, I have given this. Like this examiners also confuse you. Here also I am giving this question, this option for confusing you. So unit cells are divided into two parts. One is central unit cells. Second one is primitive unit cells. No centered. One is primitive unit cells. Second is centered unit cells. In centered unit cells again three types. Face centered unit cells, end centered unit cells, body centered unit cells. Like that you have to remember. So here how to remember this? So you take first letters of options correct. A, C, D is correct. Three types: face centered, end centered, body centered. So centered unit cell. So BFE, buffet system. Buffet system, where is the buffet system? In functions. So functions will conduct in centered AC. Okay, central hall, AC hall. So unity, our family members. Our family members, by unity, we went to the our relatives function. That function, marriage function, reception conduct will be conducting in a central AC hall. So there after marriage, we take lunch, that is buffet lunch, BFE, buffet, buffet lunch. We have taken our buffet dinner, we have taken. Like that, we can remember buffet, BFE. B means body centered, F means face centered, E means end centered. After ending the buffet dinner or lunch, we come to our home, return to our home. Like that, we can remember. The second question. Match the following structures or dimensions with its coordination number. Match the following structures or dimensions with its coordination number. So, what is the option? Cubic closed packed structure have what is the coordination number? Closing packing in one dimension, what is the coordination number? Face centered cubic structure, what is the coordination number? Closing packing in two dimensions, what is the coordination number? So answer is C. Okay? Cubic closed packing structure. First we see small number. 4 means 12, 4 means 12, 2 means 2. So B2. B first we are taking. Closing packing in one dimension. Closing packing in one dimension. Answer is B2. 2. So closing packing in one dimension. You have to take one double of 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next closing packing in two dimension. So 2 double of 2, 4, 3. So D3. See here, BC is 1 combination. Closing packing in one dimension, closing packing in two dimension. One dimension have 1 double of 1. So 2. So B2. Closing packing in two dimension. Double of 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So D3, 4. So one dimension means 2, two dimension means 4. That is the coordination numbers. One dimension is coordination number 2, two dimension is coordination number is 4. Now cubic closed packed structure and face centered cubic structure. In both cubic. These are same actually. Cubic closed packed center or face center cubic structure. Both structures are same. Metals such as copper and silver crystallize in the structures. So these both are equal. So That is why fourth option is same. A4, C4. Cubic closed pack structure has 12 coordination number. Face centered cubic structure also 12 coordination number. In both there is cube. So both options A, C is same. Cubic closed packed structure or face centered cubic structure. Either or. Both we call. So the structure has coordination numbers 12. These are dimensions. These are structures. Okay. In cube there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. So you take double. Here also we are taking double now. Closing packing in one dimension. 1 to double 2. 2 to double 4. Here cube. Cube has 6 numbers. Cube has 6 numbers. 6 double 6 plus 6 12. Like that you can remember easily. Match the following terms with its electrical conductivity range. Match the following terms: solids, insulators, conductors, semiconductors with its electrical conductivity range. Come on, fast. So what is the option A, B, C, D? Solids, insulators, conductors, semiconductors. So answer is option A, A2. Solids. Solids electrical conductivity range is A2, 10 to the power of minus 22, 10 to the power of 7. So total 27. Total 27 orders are there. The magnitude range of solids with its electrical conductivity range. Solids are three types. Those are these: insulators, conductors, semiconductors. Solids are divided into three types: insulators, conductors, semiconductors. So solids electrical conductivity range between 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of 7. Total 27. So how do you remember 20 means T, 7 means G, Tg. Tough graphite, solid example. One example is graphite. Graphite is a solid. It is a very tough. Tough means strong. So tough graphite is a keyword. Tough graphite is solid. Like that you can remember. Total 27 So minus 22, 7. Total 27 orders are there for solids. Solids are divided into three types insulators. So B is 4 minus 10 to the power of minus 22, 10 to the power of minus 10 per ohm per meter. The units also you have to remember per ohm per meter. So minus 22 minus 10 insulators. So T here J TJ insulators. Insulator means I am taking insulin. Insulin, who will take insulin? Diabetes patient. When sugar content is more, so dialysis they are taking. So insulin injection also they are taking. So how can you remember T? Here J. So taking injections. I am not taking injection. I am taking J. So insulin injections. Insulin injection they are taking. So taking injections. The dialysis patients daily taking insulin injections. Taking T20 injection J. I am taking J here. Because I is there. So that is why I am not taking I. Injection J. I am taking like that. R20 in half of 20, 10. Because sugar patients insulin when they are taking insulin daily, their life also lifespan is decrease. So for that you also don't eat junk food, sugar food. You have to only natural sweets, fruits, natural food you have to take. Then only you don't get that sugar disease. Don't tension. Don't buy hard. If you buy hard, some pressure will be on mind. Then only sugar can attack. So, health is wealth. First you have to take care of your health. Only eat homely food and fruits, green vegetables, green leafy vegetables, drink plenty of water, do morning, evening yoga or meditation, some walking. Like that you have to do. Then only you will be healthy, fit. Then only if you concentrate on the subjects, the thoughts will come automatically, the easy tips and techniques will come. If you concentrate the information only, put some easy tips and techniques. Like I'm telling now, easy tips and techniques. You also try to put your own techniques. That is help you more. Then only you can get the job than others. Don't use by heart method. Only use easy tips and memory techniques. Learn with creativity method. Next, conductors. Conduct C3. 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 7. So, D, G, E, F, G, D, G. How can you remember? So, I am here taking conducting a celebration. After you getting needs it, you will be a doctor. So your friends and your parents will praise you great. You are very great. Like that. Conducting celebrations. When you get the need job, you will become doctor now. If you do MBBS means you are a doctor. D means for. So all appreciate you. You are very great. You got the seat in Neet. You are great. So like that we can remember. When you will got the job, if you use simple techniques, you have to enjoy reading. You have to enjoy the reading, and then only the thoughts will come. Automatically, you can remember that answers easily while writing in the actual entrance exam. Then you will get the job. You will become doctor. Semiconductors D1 10 to the power of minus 6 to 10 to the power of 4. Semiconductors. So FD. FD. Here keyword is semiconductors. Semifinal conducting. So cricket match semifinal is conducting. So we are interestingly see the semi-final. Who will goes to final in final match? Who will who will come to final? And we have to watch the day and night final match compulsory. So final day and night match. After winners of the semi-finals, they will go to final. F means 6. It is a day and night match. IPL 2020 are all day and night matches now. Evening they are starting, night they are starting. So total day and night matches that those are called. So final day and night match. Like that you can remember. So next fourth question. Each electron has a permanent spin and an orbital magnetic moment. Each electron has a permanent spin and an orbital magnetic moment. So, match the following magnetic moment properties of substances, some substances with its 5 categories or types, whatever you can say. Here I have given 4 options. The magnetic moment properties of some substances with its 5 categories or types. I have given. Once again, you see here magnetic moment properties. Magnetic moment properties. Attractive magnetic, diamagnetic, repulsive magnetic, ferrimagnetic, directive magnetic properties. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, attractive magnetic, ferrimagnetic, repulsive magnetic, directive, diamagnetic, attractive, ferrimagnetic, ferromagnetic. Next, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, antiferromagnetic, ferrimagnetic, ferromagnetic properties. So, which option is correct? First, you observe ABC. Next, option D also here. So, what is the correct? Which option is correct? So, answer is option D is the correct. So, option C. Option D means here C. Option C, but answer is the D part is correct. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, antiferromagnetic, ferrimagnetic, ferromagnetic. So here some attractive magnetic, repulsive also there. Here I have given some confusing purpose. Attractive means some opposite sides of magnetic is attracted. Same sides of magnetic are repel each other. That is repulsive magnetic. That are different. But here correct answer is paramagnetic, diamagnetic, antiferromagnetic, ferrimagnetic, ferromagnetic. Ferro, ferri, ferro. Three are similar pronunciation. Ferro, ferri, ferro. Paradia. Like that you can easily remember. Three ferros are there. Like pronunciation. Spelling some different. Ferro, ferri, ferro. Ferro, ferro same. Ferri. Paradia. Easy na. You can remember. Like that. Or otherwise, I will put another coding technique. One statement, one sentence we have to remember. I purchased, purchased, లేదంటే I am purchasing, I am purchasing daily, DIALLY, daily apples, apples for, for my father, because my father is aged, doctor preferred to eat daily one apple, that calcium and some vitamins will be improved to your body. You get healthy. So for that, I am purchasing daily apples for my father. Like that you can, one sentence you can remember. Like that you can also think like that. You can also put your own tips and techniques. Like that you can easily remember while answering the questions. Match the following elements or compounds with its Henry's law constant values in pascals. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, formaldehyde. Henry's law constant values in pascals. What is the answer? In your textbooks, they have given in kilobars. In textbooks, they have given Henry's law constants for some selected gases in water. These are all gases in water for temperature. Some temperature also they have given. But in textbooks they have given kilobars. But examiner will ask in different way. That is why I am asked also like that in the point of examiner views. The examiner confuse you. In the book it is in kilobars the constant values, but they are asking in pascals. For that you have to know the 1 bar value. If you know the kilobar value, you can know easily now. So what is the 1 bar value? 1 bar is equal 10 to the power of 5 pascals. 1 bar is equal 10 to the power of 5 pascals. 1 kilobar is equal automatically into 10 to the power of 3. So 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 8 pascals. So 1 kilobars is equal 10 to the power of 8 pascals. So in your book only up to here only, not into 10 to the power of 8, not intos are there. Only they are given in values in kilobars. But examiner will ask sometimes in pascals. So you have to know 1 pascal is equal 10 to the power of 5. 1 bar is equal, they have given in kilobars. So 1 bar is equal 10 to the power of 5 pascal, 1 kilobar is equal 10 to the power of 8 pascals. That is why I have multiplied all values in 10 to the power of 8. Here into 10 to the power of some minus 5 is there. So 10 to the power of minus into 10 to the power of 8 means 10 to the power of 3 it is. So now what is the answer? Which option is correct? So answer is A. What is the answer? A. A4. Hydrogen is 69.16 into 10 to the power of 8 at 293 Kelvin. So hydrogen is at 293 Kelvin temperature. The value is Henry's law constant value 69.16 into 10 to the power of 8. So I have explained how to multiply into 10 to the power of y. That kilobar value is 10 to the power of 8 pascals. That is why I am multiplying it with 10 to the power of 8. You have to remember this. So how can you remember hydrogen? So from villages some persons will come to Hyderabad for their business purpose. After morning to evening they are doing their purchasing or like that their businesses works. So they will tired. Why? Very heavy pollution is there in Hyderabad. P. Pollution. P means 16. So what happened? They tired. So their mind will like flying in the sky like that. So here 6 is head is down. Underground. We are underground. After evening, our head is in the sky like that. Feeling is like we are getting tired and some headache will become, that pollution, that allergy will come, that village from coming from village. In village is pollution free villages are there. So there are very greenery like that. Here all vehicles are going on there. Very heavy pollution for that. So some headache. The head is flying in the sky like that. Some headache will come. Like that the 6 reverse 9. Like that you can remember. Reason is pollution 16. P is letter number 16, like that you can remember. Oxygen B, B2, 3486. So how can you remember? So here oxygen, I'm taking here oxygen and gen. Oxygen and gen, two keywords I am putting. Oxygen one and also an gen car. So we are going in gen car. The glasses of the gen car has closed. AC on. But we get some tired. So CD. CD means we are listening some music by the playing of the CD player. CD. So by playing the CD player, we are listening the music, enjoying the music. Here HF. HF half. Oxygen is half compared to outside. In the car, half oxygen we are getting. We can breathe half of the oxygen compared to outer side. Outer side freely we can breathing, but inner no, we can't breathing freely because some pressure will be there inner car. So that AC awning, if you on the AC, some total oxygen will not get. Half of the oxygen we get. Half. Like that, we can tip coding technique. Like that. CD, we are enjoying music by CD and half oxygen we are getting. Like that. Nitrogen, C. C is 1. 76.46. Nitrogen. Here keyword is night. Night means like pronunciation as 8. Up to 8. Night means 8. I am taking 8. So here see 4 dot I am taking 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. You can remember. 4 dot dot means 5 I am taking 6, 7 and last 8. So in middle 4, 6. Here 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 up to 8 you have to take. Like that you can remember. Formaldehyde. So D is 3. Formaldehyde. Here I am taking some formaldehyde. Hyderabad. In Hyderabad city, the police officers, that constables will check while you going on the bike or car. They are asking. It's their formality, their duty. What is that? RC. They are asking for RC book. R means 18, C means 3. RC book they are asking. And also 3. Card. Show the card, driving license card. Like that they are asking. They are asking RC card, RC card, RC book. Or card means driving license card. Both you have to show. And pollution slip you have to show. Like that some condition they will put. Like that you can remember. This is RC book. This is card. Driving license card. Vapor pressure of a solution decreases when non-volatile solute is added to volatile solvent. There are four types of properties of solutions which are connected with decrease of vapor pressure. Which of the following option is not correct? There are four type of properties of solutions which are connected with the decrease of vapor pressure. Here I have given five options. One option is not correct. You have to find out that because four types only. Here we are seeing two solution solute. What is the difference between solute and solvent? Solute means solution, both are same. What are the difference between solute? Here, solvent. A non-volatile solute is added to volatile solvent. So, what is the difference between solute and solvent? Solute is a substance. It is a substance that can be dissolved into a solution by solvent. Solute is a substance that can be dissolved in a solution by a solvent. That is the definition and the definition of solute and solvent. So there are four types of the properties of solutions which are connected with decrease of vapor pressure. Why decreasing? A non-volatile soluted is added to volatile solvated. Volatile solvent means liquids. Volatile solvent means liquids. Solute, generally solute in many forms, gas, liquid, or a solid. Here volatile solvent is liquid. Volatile solvents are liquids that easily vaporize into a gas. A non-volatile solute is not is simply a it is a some substance but does not easily vaporize. That is why the vapor pressure of solution decreasing. So there are four type of properties of that solution which are connected with this decrease of vapor pressure. Volatile solvents are liquids. Non-volatile solute is a substance that does not easily vaporize. Non-volatile liquids have a high melting point and low vapor pressure. Non-volatile solutes are having low vapor pressure. That means decreasing. Vapor pressure is decreasing. What is the answer? Answer is A is not correct. Depression of freezing point of solvent is not correct. B, C, D, E correct. So how can you remember? You take first letters. I have written like this. That's why. D-O-R-E, door. Door. If you open the door, air will be come freely. You can breathe easily. Otherwise, decrease the pressure. Increase the pressure. If you will open the door, you can breathe easily by decreasing the pressure. Otherwise, increase the pressure in by closing the door. The breathing problem will get. In kitchen, for decreasing of vapor pressure, you have to open the window doors. You have to open window doors to decrease the vapor pressure. Vapor pressure comes from cooking now. So, if you close the doors, window doors, you will get some breathing problem. Okay? For that, you have to close the window doors to decrease the vapor pressure. Door is the keyword. Match the following ions with its limiting molar conductivity in water at 298 Kelvin temperature. Match ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Option is B. This is what? Sodium. Sodium plus ion. Following ions they are saying now. So sodium ion. So so I'm taking so number 5. Here keyword is sodium. So like 5. S is like 5 now. O I'm taking 0, 50. So approximate value 50.1. A2. Like that you can remember. Sodium. So is the keyword. 50 is the keyword. Okay. Next. Calcium. B4. B4. 119. L means L. 11 means L. Letter number. 9 means I. How can you remember? So calcium deficiency means if you get light problems for legs and hands movements, you can't walk more distance, you can't do more works if you get calcium deficiency. So the light movements we can do, fast movements we can't do with the deficiency of calcium. For that you have to take healthy food. So calcium levels will be equal. The light movement problem will go. In other way, if you have calcium deficiency, the legs will in the bones of the legs will be weakened. Leg, le means L, G means 8, but I am taking that approximate 118 leg, le means la, 11 G means G 8, 118, but I am taking nearer to 118, 119. Like that also you can remember. Next, chlorine. Chlorine. C3. 76.3. So, letter number G, E, G, F, C. G, F, C. Chlorine. G, F, C. Chlorine. Clo. Clo means close. So, here I am taking who will close friends and girlfriends. G, F. Girlfriends. Move closely. Friendly. Chlorine. Clo. Girlfriend. Move closely. C. Like that you can remember. Next, D, bromine. Bromine D means 1, 78.1. G, H, A, Ga. Next, I'm putting R, Gar. Bromine means bro. I will talk to my friend, hi bro. There is no one in my house. My parents gone to outside. Please come, we will discuss for something about our biology, physics, chemistry. Come on, bro. Come to my gar. Gar. He is the keyword. Gar. Ghar. Or I'm. You can after point. You can leave that. Only up to 1 point. Point one decimal you can take. 78.1. Hi, bro. Bro mean like that you can remember. Next question. Identify the reaction ladder of rate constant K from the following options. Identify the reaction order of rate constant from the following options. So what is the answer? If you by seeing these units you have to remember for this. If you see I'm giving clue by seeing the units of that K you have to find out it is zero order, first order, second order or not of this. What is that? Tell me, I have given a clue also. In your book, units of rate constant, they have given units. You have to remember that. The rate constant K is 2.3 into 10 to whatever maybe it's. But if by seeing the units, you can tell it is zero order, first order, second order, or none of this. Answer is second order reaction. For that, we will see the units. Zero order reactions, unit of rate constant, mole per liter per second. First order reaction unit is per second. Second order reaction is per mole liter per second. These are the units you have to remember. Zero mole. Mole means a mole on the nose, a mole on the head, a mole on the chin, a mole on the cheek. Like that in our 10th class is there now. So mole is a dot. Dot is a like 0. Like that you can remember. First order. So if you put first order, they will give immediately. That is within seconds. If you go to hotel first time, they are seeing this is new person. So they will give fastly within seconds. They will give the order of the tiffins, whatever you food are asked. Second time going or second order, if you give, they will give some late. So that is why units will increase per mole, liter, per second. Like that you can remember. Here only mole, here second order per mole. Here per liter. Per second is common for all. Only difference is here only mole, here per mole. Here per liter, here only liter. That is the difference. So here per liter, here per mole. That is the difference of 0 to second. Like that you have to compare. Next, the last question. In collision theory, there is a collision theory is there. Activity, energy and proper orientation of the molecules together determine the criteria for an effective collision and hence the rate of a chemical reaction. Then what is the rate K formula? What is the rate K formula? Earlier video I have asked collision theory. Who was developed collision theory? Who? Who was developed collision theory? Or collision theory was developed by whom? Max Strange and William Lewis. Max Strange and William Lewis. So here asked the rate formula. Option A, option B, option C or none. So what is the answer? Answer is A. So A is the answer. Rate formula. Rate. If you go to some kirana store or vegetable shop or fruit store or anything, if you purchase any product, you bargain. Please decrease the amount like that. Anybody bargaining? I am also bargaining. Please requesting. If you don't request, they will not decrease the rate now. So please decrease the rate. Please. The pronunciation I am taking. Please. PZ. Please decrease the rate. I will take the product. Next. This is Z. Last alphabet. First alphabets are I am taking here. Subscript. ZAB. Next. E to the power of E. E to the power of. My name is Ippa Srinivas. So like that you can remember. Ippa Srinivas, Ippa, EPPA, Ippa, like that. Rate, that rate, Ray, or T, like that. E subscript A by RT. E power minus E A by RT is the answer. Like that, you have to put easy technique. So very simple by the putting tips and techniques. When we can when you can put the easy tips, if your mind is freely, tensionlessly concentrate on the information only, the thoughts will come. We can put easy techniques and memory techniques, that is called coding techniques. If you put like this, we can easily remember at the time of exam. Before 1 week, you can revision all subjects easily. So, without tension, you will go to the exam. By confidently, you can write the exam. Automatically, by seeing the options, the thoughts will come, the tips will come in your mind. Automatically, fastly, the answering the questions also very fast. So, the time also lastly you can get for more time compared to by heart persons. If you learn with tips and easy tips and techniques by putting memory techniques and coding techniques, so much time will remain. For that you can use solving the physics and chemistry problems. There are two benefits. One is you can easily answer the questions. You get more marks compared to by heart method persons, and you can get more time. So in that time also you can other problem solution. So automatically you can get more marks compared to by heart people person. So don't by heart anything. If you can't put only, then you have to by heart. That is why I have to tell you in that success mantra video. Only 20 to 25 percentage you have to by heart. Balance 75 to 80 percentage questions you have to put easy tips and techniques, and you have to write on the book on. Otherwise, best suggestion is maintain a separate notes and write that coding techniques for that words. That question to answer, the link you have to write on the notes. Like that you can revision easily before the exam and easily answer the questions in the your exam. Automatically you got the best rank in the Neet or JEE or Eamcet, whatever may be. So please use creativity learning method and have some patience. Concentrate on information only. Don't think anywhere and do hard work. Daily read your subject books, NCRT books only, and practice model papers, practice previous papers, observe the questions of previous papers, how the examiner's point of view, how they are giving the questions, how they are confusing us, in which topics they are asking more questions. Like that, all you have to analyze. So then only you can prepare the preparation plan, and you have to read like that from morning to evening. You have to put one preparation plan, you follow that, and eat healthy food, not junk food, and drink plenty of water, and morning evening do yoga and meditation for your body mind relaxation purpose, fit purpose. And while reading you have to enjoy you have to reading, and enjoy you have to put tips and coding techniques. Health is wealth. So by enjoying how to study, automatically you will get the seat. It's my guarantee. So please use my tips, and you also try to make tips and techniques while reading other information. Thank you one and all. Jai Lainism, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind.